Hi guys, my name is Crystal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome old subscribers, welcome new. I'm on Rochester railway station at the moment. It's 10:30 and 53 seconds. I'm not going to St Pancras today, no.
33 service to Rank, calling at Chatham, Journey and Rank. This train has 8 coaches.
This is my train to Rochester. This is my train into Rochester. Just turn the camera around. Oh, careful.
This station is Rochester. This train terminates at Raynham. The next station is Chatham.
Weekend journey. Sunday 16th today. Buses replace trains between Rochester and Raynham. Before inflation.
I think that guy looks like Compo out of Last of the Summer Wine. It does, it looks like Compo out of Last of the Summer Wine. So I'm travelling from Rochester to Chatham.
We will shortly be arriving at Chatham.
Tunnel there. It really does look like Compo out of Last of the Summer Wine. It does. The next stop is Chatham. First class. Not near. Rochester to Chatham.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
My legs are
Doors closing.
sore. Rochester to Chatham.
Footbridge. Doors opening.
Here we go. Here we go. And this now.
Doors closing.
Way out. Just let everybody go first. I'm not in a hurry. Just patiently waiting. Patiently waiting, there's no hurry. Not any sort of hurry whatsoever. So walking into Chatham from Rochester. I'm actually going to show you where I used to live. So we're going to go where I used to live. Someone's broken the button on the traffic lights. So I did this for nearly 11 years. This is Old Road. This is where I used to live. And I used to walk up here. I used to walk up here with 11 years I lived up here. 11. Out of breath. I hated doing this. Hated it. Old Road Car Park, Chatham. Take a deep breath. Can't breathe. lived here for 11 years. On the top floor someone's got a parking ticket. I have not been here for a while, so this is where I used to live. It's a place called Lansdowne Court. Which is in Chatham. I used to live on the top floor of this block. You see how steep it is? I'm out of breath already. Really steep. Right. Dog in there. There's a dog in my flat that I used to live in, a dog. So the flat I used to live in, the door's broken and everybody else's door's blue and that one's still red. Wow. There's a dog in there. I don't live here anymore. I moved to Rochester some time ago. So they let me in there. It's absolutely shocking to see how small those flats are compared to what I'm living in now. So I'm just going to go down here. There is a dog in that flat. The door hasn't been changed. This has changed. This used to be the Royal Tandoori when I wrote about it in my diary. It's now Spice. So, wow. Go back to that place. I lived here for 11 years, nearly. I don't live here anymore. That was the Royal Tandoori, it's the Chatham Spice. Graham's office furniture is still there. afraid to live in that block of flats. Oh. You just walk in there, and my flat's now is so big, it was like walking into a doll's house. It's actually like walking into a doll's house compared to where I'm living now. Shocking. So this is what I used to do as well. For about 11 years I used to do this. Come down here. To the Barclays Bank. I'm just going to the bank. I can see Debenhams is gone. It has for some time anyway. It's been gone for ages, Debenhams. We get to Debenhams and then we stop videoing. Already I can smell cannabis. It's just rife with it. Mr. Flower, there's McDonald's, Chatham this is. Drove up right behind me. This is Saturday morning in Chatham. I've just travelled on the train from Rochester and I'm going into the bank. Stumpy tree. Barclays Bank is a bit further down. Let's go past all the takeaways. We've got Wimpy, we've got Burger King. I didn't want to do this. I'd have preferred to stay indoors Saturday morning, but there you go. You've got to do what you've got to do. This is the bank that I went into the other day and they were very unhelpful. It's like I was helping everybody else but they weren't helping me, so I mean, I've got no problem with that. Right, so this is where I'm going to go in, Barclays Bachelor Street, and I'll see you later.